Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here at the the sexual hole in the middle of the street, Ukraine? No, it's the beer belly of Ukraine. Let me show you what it is. Bye everybody. Okay everybody, this is Ukraine's sex object. You can see it's kind of, it's got the hole and it's got the, anyway, no, I'm just kidding. This is called the beer belly of Ukraine. The beer belly. So if you think of it like a woman's part, then yes, it fits. But if you think about it as a man's stomach, his belly button and his hair, and it says the beer belly of Ukraine. But the first time I saw it, I thought it was obscene as hell. Maybe we need to look at it this way. No, that just didn't help, did it? But the beer belly of Ukraine. I thought that's amazing. the glory hole of Ukraine. The sexual toy in the middle of the street hole in Ukraine. Anyway, interesting. Bye everybody.